Hey guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. Today on this episode we're going to be working on the Del Sol, and I'm going to be replacing the radiator. So it's one of my processes in which I wanted to do some things. Again, I still got some cam gears to replace, but I'm going to get rid of this thing, OEM radiator, which I think is working fine, but not totally impressed with it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. One thing I might invest in as well is getting some upgraded clamps, getting the OEM style. I don't think these work that well for the expansion and decrease and all that stuff, so I'm going to do that and get some things tightened up. But yeah, I'm going to get this thing out of here, see what I can do with this. Hopefully everything should come out pretty swell and shouldn't have much of an issue. So let me go ahead and get my car jacked up, get things moving, and see if I can get this thing installed. Alright, so now that everything's jacked up, it's supported by the jack stands. I'm going to go ahead and put the pan underneath and drain the existing coolant.
In my Del Sol, sun rays never old. Top off, wind blowing, story never told. Cruising down the avenue, streets like a maze. Jungle of concrete haze, blazing my praise. Kick scuff, CD skip, space bump, yeah hits. Only mixtape, beats fresh or legit. Del Sol gliding, slide through the day. More than a ride, my escape, my way. Honda Del Sol, gleaming in the light. Paint so bright, shining through the night. Honda Del Sol, roof fades away. Freedom in the wind, nowhere else I'd stray. Seats torn, but we roll, laugh till we cry. Windows down, feel alive, no need for sky. Cityscape, the backdrop, wheels hum a tune. Echoes of the past dance under the moon. Joy riding real fine in this whip of mine.
Alright, so out with the in, and hopefully in with the new. Everything should go pretty fine. Hopefully everything installs correctly and shouldn't have any problems. So let me see if I can fit this thing in there. So before I installed, I did notice that the bracket here was actually bent, so I just took a little rubber mallet, got that back in. This one seems to be straight. I know there's a front support bar up front here, which is why they probably did that. So that's one thing that I'm gonna hopefully get straight. But I do only have one of the bushings that fit in here, so I'm gonna use one and kind of put it on my things to purchase. So we'll see.
Simple machine, but the feeling profound. Lost in the motion, never wanting to be found. Forward riding real fine in this whip of mine. Memories on replay saying I'm on cloud 9. Simple machine, but the feeling profound. Lost in the motion, never wanting to be found. Foot on the pedal, engine purring like a cat. Street lights flicker, music drowning the chat. More than metal and wheels, it's my trusty steed. Adventures await, fulfilling every need.
And one thing I like about Mishimoto is it actually comes with a plug, so that way I can just kind of clip it in here. It should be plug and play. So of course naturally I'm going to wire up these wires a little bit better, but it should be good to go. So now it's time to add some fluid. Everything is tight. Again, I'll probably replace this bracket among some other things, but time to add some fluid.
The Del Sol, gleaming in the light. Paint so bright, shining through the night. On the Del Sol, roof fades away. Freedom in the wind, nowhere else I'd stray. Roof fades away, nowhere else I'd stray.
Alright, so I got it topped off. Now I got to start it to bleed it. I am using the Honda coolant, type 2 blue. Everything should be good. I'm going to go ahead and start it, see if I can get this thing bled out. All right, so new radiator's in. Everything is bled. Everything is good to go. Everything seems to be tight. I did start it to bleed it. Tried to get it up to temperature to get the fan to kick on. Unfortunately, there's actually a, I guess, an aftermarket, high, I guess better thermostat in there. Also, of course, with the new radiator. But I got it up to 166 degrees and wouldn't go higher above that. So to me, it's a good sign. At least it's cooling properly. I'll take it for a drive and see if I get that fan to kick on and all that good stuff. But good news is the radiator is in. So some more quick updates real quick is, of course, the intercooler piping. I'm probably going to take that off, repaint it, make it look a little better. Same with the intake manifold at some point. Naturally, I got to get to the cam gears, all that good stuff, but we're getting there. Also found a source of rattling, which the rear motor mount bolt was loose, and it seems as though it's kind of stripped, so I'll probably take the T-bracket off and re-tap that and get that threaded in, but we're good to go. But I think that's going to do it for this quick episode. It's hot out here. Of course, it is about to rain. I'm not sure if you can see that, so hopefully I get this thing covered and everything before it rains. But again, I appreciate you guys for watching. We're starting to make some modifications on this. I still got the other Del Sol to work on. Got the shift linkage hooked up in there and all that good stuff, but we're rolling right along. I do have some gauges that I want to install, a plethora of other parts, but we're getting there. So next is going to be all the motor stuff here. I'll get the valve cover painted, redone. Also might replace the bungs that go up front, cam gears, timing belt, a bunch of other good stuff. So we're heading in the right direction. But again, thank you guys for watching, checking me out on the episode. Feel free to leave a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And until next time, I'll catch you guys then. Peace.
Feel alive, no need for sky. Cityscape a backdrop, wheels hum a tune. Echoes of the past dance under the moon. Joy